There are 18 cookies divided into 6 equal rows. Write a division sentence to match the array. So first we need to create our array. 18 cookies divided into 6 equal rows, and I want to write a division sentence to match the array. But before we write the division sentence, we need to create our array. I have my cookies down here. So I'm going to create my 6 rows because I know that first. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I can count. So I already have 6, and I'm just going to fill them in. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are my 18 cookies, and they are divided into 6 equal rows, and I have how many in each row? That is going to be your quotient, and a quotient is the answer for a division sentence. So 18 divided by 6, because we have 6 rows, equals 3 in each row. So 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Okay, you have 2 more down here that you are going to fill out. You have another one where you're going to write your multiplication sentence and the division sentence, and then you have one that you're just writing the division sentence.